Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 6, Practice Set 6.1, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. Factorize. Now, factorize means we have to find out solution for this equation. So, first let's understand how to solve these sums. So, whenever you have this term, ये जो लास्ट में होता है ना 18, the last term 18, so we have to find out two number whose multiplication will be 18. Now we know that 2 9s is 18, okay, and 3 6s is 18. So now after that we got, and also 1 into 18 is 18. So now we know that 18 is multiplied by 9 2s are 6 3s are 118s are. But see the middle term is what? 9. So हमको ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो 18 हो, बट एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन, आइदर एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन से वो मिडल टर्म आए. सो हियर वी हैव 9. Okay, so that means 3 plus 6 9. Okay, so हमारा दो टर्म हुआ 6 and 3. 6 3s are 18 and 6 plus 3 9. When your question is plus and plus means अगर टर्म में प्लस और प्लस है, so the two number, ये जो दो नंबर आप लोग ढूंढोगे, it will also be plus and plus. Also, if you have plus and minus, means first term plus, second term minus. So again your these two term will be plus and minus. Only when does it change? ये कब change होता है? When you have minus and minus. So first one become minus and second one become plus. And when you have minus and plus, so both get minus. Okay. And always put the greater one first, then the smaller one. Now x square, see this is x plus plus, so हमको मिला 6, so 6x plus 3x. ये जो मिडल में x है ना वो दोनों को देंगे, तो 6 3s are 18 and 6 plus 3 9. So now this is one group, this is one group. So from here इन दोनों में देखेंगे तो x is common. So x plus 6. Also here x plus 6 is common. See यहाँ पे जो भी टर्म मिला ना ब्रैकेट वो यहाँ पे ले लेना है, बिकॉज इट शुड बी कॉमन. तो यहाँ सोचना नहीं, यही यहाँ पे ले लेना. देन यू हैव टू सी, यहाँ पे तो 18 था, आपने 6 लिया, दैट मीन्स 6 3s are 18 और यहाँ 3x चाहिए, तो x into 3 3x. Okay, so now your final answer, this common term x plus 6 and the uncommon जो बाहर है x plus 3. So this is your solution. See you have 9, so 9 ले लेना है. And you have to find out two numbers. Also यहाँ माइनस और प्लस है, so दोनों माइनस रहेंगे. माइनस से शुरू होने वाले, माइनस प्लस का माइनस माइनस. ओके, ना सो माइनस माइनस क्या होता है? प्लस. सो ऐसे नंबर ढूंढना है जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन 9 हो और एडिशन 10 हो. हमको 10 चाहिए. सो ऑब्वियसली 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. सो ये हमारा टर्म हुआ जो हमको चाहिए. सो सॉल्यूशन, एंड देन यू विल राइट दिस एक्स स्क्वायर, देन माइनस 9x माइनस 1x. 1 we do not show in algebra, and then the last term 9. ओके, 1 अलजेब्रा में नहीं दिखाते. नाउ ये ग्रुप, तो इसमें से कॉमन x. सो x कॉमन आ गया. सो अंदर ये दो में से एक बाहर एक अंदर. ना ये ओनली 9 लेफ्ट. सो x इंटू एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर, x इंटू 9 9. this we have to copy here as it is. We have to take it as it is over here. So now what left? Here we needed plus, but we have minus. That means we will take minus. Minus into minus plus, and whatever here will be 1, because we cannot take anything else. ये सेम आना चाहिए. 1 into x, 1x, 1 9s are 9, minus into minus plus. So answer is x minus 9, that bracket में जो है, and x minus 1. Y square plus 24y plus 144. So 144. Now we need two numbers which will multiply, and plus plus. So both the number will be plus. By multiplication 144 होना चाहिए and 24. So 144. We will do factorize. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, then 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 3 1s are. This was the factorization of 144. Now you have to find out that two numbers which will, इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 144 तो आएगा ही, बट इनमें से भी जोड़ी बनाना है कि 24 एडिशन में हो. सो 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 3 2 9 2s are 18, 18 और 8 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12 into 12, 144, and 12 plus 12, 24. 12 plus 12, 24. So that means here हमको 12y, 12y. So 12 12s are 144, 12 plus 12, 24. So y square plus 12y plus 12y plus 144. Therefore यहाँ पे ये वाले टर्म में ये वाले y is common, y plus 12, then y plus 12, so 12 12s are 144. So y plus 12, y plus 12. Okay, term यहाँ 5 5 common है, so you can take 5 as well. 5, so अंदर बन गया y square, फिर यहाँ पे भी y, and then minus 5 2s are. Okay, so अब 5 को हम ऐसे ही लेंगे एज अ कैरियर, लेते हुए जाएंगे, एंड वी विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ 50, now we have to find out 2. So 2 1s are 2, plus minus minus, 2 minus 1 1. So in bracket y square plus 2y minus y, ये 1 को y लिखेंगे, then the last term 2. So 5 will be carried, then y plus 2, here y, then y plus 2, here 1. So final answer will be 5, ये common वाला y plus 2 and uncommon y minus 1. Last is 35 and minus minus, so the two number will be minus and plus. So 7 5s are 35 and 7 minus 5 2. So that means these are the two number. So p square minus 7p, ये जो middle term है उसको हमने split किया, 5p and last term as it is. p minus 7, then p minus 7 as it is लेना है. So 7 5s are 7 5 are 35. 5 into p, 5p, but positive. So therefore, common one is p minus 7, uncommon p plus 5. 44 and minus minus, so minus plus. 11 4s are 44. 11 minus 4, 7. So therefore, p square minus 11p plus 4p minus 44. p minus 11, p minus 11, ये जो भी लेंगे वो यहाँ पे सेम लेंगे. सो 4 लेफ्ट. 4 into p, 4p, 4 11s are 44. So p minus 11, p plus 4. 7 sums p is m square minus 23m plus 120. So for 120 we will need two number, minus plus minus minus. यहाँ माइनस और प्लस है तो दो नंबर माइनस माइनस होगा. 120. So 120. 2 6 are 2 zeros are 2 3s are 0s are. We need 23. Ne? So 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 15, 8 plus 15, 23. Minus minus plus. Yes. See, so 15 and 18. ये 15 8s are 120 and 50 minus minus plus हुआ. So 15 plus 8, 23. So your two factorized number is 15m minus 8m plus 120. So therefore, now two terms. So here m common, m minus 15, and again same common will come, m minus 15. So 120 था, यहाँ पे 8 8 15 था 120. यहाँ प्लस चाहिए तो माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस. So minus into plus minus, 8 into m, 8m. So m minus 15, m minus 8. This is your. Now the last term is 100. So 100 we need two number, minus plus का minus minus. So 25 are 25 are 5 0 0, 5 2s are 10. 25 are 100 and 20 plus 5 25. सी समटाइम कुछ नंबर्स आपको डायरेक्टली दिमाग में क्लिक हो सकते हैं. सो यह m स्क्वायर माइनस 20m माइनस 5m प्लस 100. सो m minus 20. So same we will take. Then so 5 are minus, minus into minus plus, 5 2s are 10. So m minus 20 and m minus 5. This is the answer. Again, if you see in beginning you have 3. Okay. So but we cannot take common यहाँ because 3 के टेबल में 14 नहीं आता. So हमको वो वाला मेथड करना पड़ेगा कि 3 into 15. Three into 15. So 3 15s are 45. So you have to find out two number, which is by multiplication 45 and by adding it is 14. Okay. So 45 is table of 5 9s and 3 3s are 3 1s are. So 3 3s are 9, 9 9 5 are 45, 9 plus 4, 4, 9 plus 5, 14. So here 9 plus 5, 9 5 are 45. So that means 3x square plus 9x plus 5x plus 15. See, 9 5 are 45 and 9 plus 5, 14. So therefore 3x x plus, see 3 ones are 3, x into x, x square, 3 3s are 9. So here we need the same common term. ये जो भी ब्रैकेट में आता है वो सेकेंड टर्म के लिए भी वही आना चाहिए. सो हमको 15 का 3 मिला, दैट मीन्स 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 into x 5x. So therefore x plus 3, 3x plus 5. Then sums again we have to do multiplication of first and last. 2 into 45 is 90. And then 2 number plus minus, so they will also be plus minus. हमको 1 चाहिए. So 10 9s are 90, 10 minus 9 1. So therefore 2x square plus this 10x minus 9x minus 45. So here 2x common we will take. Why? Because 10 is multiple of 2. 2 के टेबल में 10 आता है. So x. Now see 2 ones are 2, x into x, x square. 2 5s are 10 plus into plus. So see 2 5s are 10 और ये x है. So ये टर्म हो गया. Now this will be common. So 5 9s are 9 5s are 45. We want minus. We have plus. So minus. Minus into plus minus. So x plus 5, 2x minus 9. This is. Here again we have 20, 26 and 8. Okay. So but this all is table of 2. We can take common over here. If these are the table of 2. So यहाँ पे 2 को बाहर ले लेंगे तो 2 10s are, then 2 13s are, ना 2 10s are 20, 2 13s are 26 and 2 4s are 8. ओके. सब 2 को तो लेके चलना है पूरा स्टेप्स में. ओके. सो दैट मीन्स नाउ 10 4s are 40. So 10 4s are 40 and we have to find out 2 number minus plus मतलब minus minus जिसका एडिशन 13 हो. So 10 5 5 are 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 plus 5 13. So now ये 2 लेंगे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एंड देन इसका कॉमन ओनली x विल कम बिकॉज 10 और 13 एक टेबल के नहीं. ओहो सॉरी, आई मेड अ मिस्टेक. पहले तो ये लिखना है ना. सो 2 हाँ 10x स्क्वायर, सो minus 8x minus 5x then plus 4. Now we have to do that steps common wala. So here we have 2x, so 2 5s are 10 and x into x, x square, and 2 4s are 8 into x, 8x. तो ये सेम चीज़ यहाँ पे आएगा. सो 4 1s are 4 minus into minus plus 1 into 5x 5x. So now final will be 2 into this common one 5x and the uncommon जो बाहर है. Okay, this is the answer. 12th sums. Now 44 threes are 132. Okay, so we have, and here minus minus become minus plus. So we have to find out two number which is factorization of 132. So 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 2 3s are, then 3 1s are 3 1s are. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So that means 12 11s are 132, and 12 minus 11 is 1. So solution 44x square minus 12x minus plus 11x minus 3. So this is the term and this is the term. So here so common we have to take 4. 4x. 4 11s are 44. X into x. X into x. X square. Then 4 3s are 12 into x. Then 11x minus 3. So there only 1 left. That too plus. So therefore 11x minus 3 and 4x plus 1. This is the answer for 12 sums.